Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Meta rolled out a major advertising update that has significantly changed how advertisers create and manage ads on Facebook and Instagram. For many business owners and marketers, this update has caused confusion because it removes the old flexible ads format and replaces it with an entirely new creative workflow. The biggest change is that all creative testing now happens within a unified multimedia creative system. Instead of relying on flexible ads or dynamic creative optimization as separate tools, advertisers can now upload multiple creative assets, including images and videos, within a single ad setup. However, one of the most important recommendations is to be strategic with testing. Rather than uploading a large number of random creative variations, advertisers should focus on a small number of intentional assets designed to answer specific questions. For example, a test might be focused on determining which headline performs best, which visual generates the most engagement, or which offer drives the highest conversion rate. Another important point is that this new workflow only works with newly created ads. Existing ads cannot be converted or edited into the new format. To access the new features, advertisers must build fresh ads from scratch. Meta has also expanded its AI powered capabilities. Advertisers can now use AI generated text and image tools directly within the platform. For copy creation, marketers can provide information from a landing page or product page and allow Meta's AI to generate multiple ad variations automatically. This can be particularly useful for businesses launching new products, testing different offers, or exploring new marketing angles without investing extensive time and resources into creative production. The image generation tools are equally impressive. Advertisers can quickly create multiple image concepts using AI, making it possible to launch campaigns even when professional creative assets are limited. While AI generated content should still be reviewed and refined before publishing, these tools provide a fast and cost effective way to expand creative testing capabilities. Another critical aspect of the update is the enhanced customization available for each creative variation. Previously, dynamic ads shared many settings across all assets. Now, advertisers can customize individual combinations of creative, copy, placements, URLs, and destinations. This means different creatives can be shown in different placements, such as Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, or Reels. Advertisers can also direct traffic from specific creatives to different landing pages or funnels based on the audience and placement. This increased level of control opens up a significant opportunities for businesses. For example, a company working with multiple creators can send traffic from each creator's content to a dedicated landing page. SaaS businesses and lead generation campaigns can create customized user experiences for different traffic sources, improving relevance and potentially increasing conversion rates. Meta has also reintroduced detailed reporting for individual creative elements. Advertisers can once again analyze how specific images, videos, headlines, and copy variations contribute to performance. This provides deeper insights into what is actually driving results and makes optimization decisions more data driven. However, with greater flexibility comes greater responsibility. Because there are more customization options available, it becomes even more important to review previews carefully before publishing. Advertisers should verify that every creative variation displays correctly across all placements and devices. A creative that looks great in one placement may appear broken or ineffective in another. The update also influences campaign structure and testing methodologies. Traditionally, many advertisers relied on large numbers of ads and frequent duplication strategies to find winning creatives. Others use campaign structures that continuously launched new ad sets and tested multiple creative groups. While these methods can generate short term wins, they often create instability, increase ad fatigue, and inconsistent performance. An alternative approach highlighted in the update is the one campaign method. This strategy focuses on maintaining a single campaign with a controlled number of high performing ads. Rather than constantly launching new campaigns and ad sets, advertisers establish a stable baseline and then introduce new creative tests in a structured way. Performance is measured by comparing new ads against existing control ads while monitoring overall business outcomes rather than relying solely on advertising metrics like ROAS. The key principle behind this approach is simplicity. If advertisers already know what works, they can use the new creative workflow to gain greater control and precision. If they are still exploring what resonates with their audience, they can leverage Meta's AI tools and testing capabilities to generate ideas and uncover winning combinations more efficiently. Overall, Meta's new multimedia creative workflow represents one of the most significant advertising platform updates in recent years. It combines creative testing, AI generated content, advanced customization, and detailed reporting into a single system. Advertisers who adapt to these changes and learn how to balance automation with strategic testing will be better positioned to improve campaign performance, scale successfully, and stay competitive in an increasingly AI driven advertising environment. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Still posting manually in every Facebook group? You're wasting hours doing something AI can handle in seconds. Meet Groupster. This tool lets you post to all your Facebook groups in one click, automatically rewrite your content using AI, stay consistent without burning out, grow your page faster with less effort. No more copy paste, no more repetitive posting, no more wasted time. Imagine reaching multiple groups daily while doing nothing. If you're building a Facebook page or business in 2026, this is a must have. What are you waiting for? Go to getgroupster.in.